ICSE Mathematics Class 9, Chapter 2, Exercise 2.2. Question 33. A sum of money is lent out at compound interest for 2 years at 20% per annum, CI being reckoned yearly. If the same sum of money is lent out at a compound interest at the same rate percent per annum, CI being reckoned half yearly, it would have fetched rupees 482 more by way of interest. Calculate the sum of money lent out. क्वेश्चन की थीम यह है कि एक ऐसा सम लगाया गया है जो 2 वर्षों में 20% पर एनम की दर से कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट किए जाने पर और उसी रेट से जो है उसी पीरियड के लिए जब यह कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट सेमी एनुअली रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है तो दोनों का अंतर 482 आता है। मुख्य थीम यही है कि तो हमको वो सम बताना है कि वो सम कितना लगाया गया था। A sum of money is lent out at compound interest for 2 years, 2 वर्षों के लिए 20% की दर से CI being recorded ईयरली, जबकि कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट ईयरली निकाला जाता है। If the same sum of money is lent out at compound interest at the same rate percent per annum, अगर वही दर वही समय लगाया जाता है और CI being reckoned और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट हाफ ईयरली निकाला जाता है तो इट वुड हैव फिक्स्ड रुपीज 482, तो इसमें 482 रुपये के अंतर आते हैं। तो हमें वह सम कितना लगाया गया था उसी को फाइंड आउट करना है, उसी को निकालना है। आंसर 33। लेट द सम ऑफ मनी लेंट आउट बी रुपीज एक्स। कल्पना किया कि सम रुपीज एक्स लगाया गया था। टाइम पीरियड इन केस ऑफ एनुअली n is equal to 2 years. Time period in case of semi-annually n is equal to 4 half years. Rate percent of interest in case of annually 20% per annum. Rate percent of interest in case of semi-annually is equal to 10% half yearly. 10% per half year. According to question, compound interest in case of semi-annually minus compound interest in case of annually, in case of annually, equal to rupees 482. A minus P minus A1 minus P equal to 42. X into 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 4 minus X minus X into 1 plus 20 by 100 to the power 2 minus X equal to 482. X into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 minus X minus X into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 minus X equal to 482. X into 121 into 120 by 10 121 by 10,000 minus X into 36 by 25 minus X equal to 482. X into 121 into 121 by 10,000 minus 1 minus X into 36 by 25 minus 1 equal to 482. X into 1 into 21 into 121 minus 10,000 upon 10,000 minus X into 36 minus 25 by 25 equal to 482. X into 14,641 minus 10,000 upon 10,000 minus X into 11 by 25 equal to 482. 4,641 X by 10,000 minus 11 X by 25 equal to 482. 4,641 X minus 4,400 X upon 10,000 equal to 482. 241 X upon 10,000 equal to 4 lakh 48 lakh 20,000. X is equal to 48 lakh 20,000. 48 lakh 20,000 by 241 equal to 20,000. The sum of money lent out equal to rupees 20,000. That's all.